Hi guys, this is Rani CPA, and I thought maybe I start a new YouTube series for the this tax season, 2018 tax season. The taxes will be due in Canada from you can file the taxes before April 30th. So now is the time to plan for it. So I thought maybe I read a good article on Global Mail that has some good advice on the how to save taxes or plan for now. So I thought this is the opportunity. The people who might have missed the article, I can highlight some of the information here. So once again, is Asrani CPA. If anybody wants to reach to me uh, or need some help filing taxes, you can visit my website is asranicpa.ca, or my Facebook page is Asrani CPA. So let's begin and see how you can save taxes. So the first thing is to reduce the taxes, and if you are planning to have expect some refund due to maybe RSP contribution, charitable donation, or any other deduction. So that's the time, if you want your take home to be higher this year, so you need to submit form T1213 to make a request. So that way these are already included in your taxes, and then you can have more take home for this purpose. So this is the first tip. The second is if you have a company car, then you might have to pay extra for standby charge, or the depreciation value. So it's better, if you consider the company, if they're selling, you can buy the car to avoid the standby charge or any extra taxable benefit for that purpose. So and also you can get the allowance from the company for the use of your personal car. So in certain circumstances that may be tax free. So this is another tip for the purpose. The second is third is like give investment to an adult child. So for example, if you have investment that are in loss, and you don't want to sell it at this time because you think that in the future this investment may be more profitable or have more upside. So you can give this investment or transfer this to adult child. So that way you can claim the capital loss in your tax return. And in the future, if the value increase, those will be taxed in child's hands, that in most cases might be have a lower income or have less taxes to pay. The other is your um, say the fourth one is revise your asset location today. So for example, if you have investment that is mostly earning interest income, so as per Canadian law, the interest income is taxed at higher tax rate. So you may have want to allocate to the other investment vehicles that might be give you a dividend or capital gain that is taxed in a lower tax bracket or more preferential treatment instead of having investment income. So other is allowable business investment loss. For example, if you have invested money in any small business or lent loan to any small business, and that business is become insolvent or gone bankrupt, so whatever the loan you have given to the business, you can claim up to 50% of the loan amount as in your tax return. So that's also a way to consider that if you have any such investment loss, business investment loss, you can claim it. And other is if you have any debt, for example, if you've taken any debt or any loans to invest in the in investment, not the registered RRSP or TFSA, but non-registered type investment, then you can claim some interest deduction on that. So for example, if you have investment and you have no loan on that, so depending on your circumstances, considering your tax option, you may want to sell it and reinvest with the loan amount, so then you can deduct the interest expense on that. So these are some of the options you might have to consider. The other is uh, RRSP contribution. So March 1st is the deadline for the RRSP consideration for 2018 season. So this is also time to consider that make an RRSP contribution to take the benefit of the RRSP deductions and reduce your tax liability, or maybe get a refund on that. The other is HBP loan. Like if you have a home buyers plan, if you withdrawn any home buyers plan money from RSP, then before the 2018 year, so this is the year that you are required to repay. So otherwise, it will be added to your income. So you need to consider if you have any home buyers plan, so that you need to consider on that. And the ninth one is take your like motor vehicle use. Like you need to record your business use of the vehicle, so you can claim the mileage, the different the apps available. So you can consider if you want to keep track of your mileage, so that you can submit and claim the mileage for your vehicle use of business use. And the 10th and last one is like if any interest or any money you taken from, like you own a business, you took some money out of business for a loan, then June 30th is the last date to pay the interest on that loan amounts to. So otherwise, everything will be added back to you. So it's you need to keep in. It's not 31st. Is June? Oh, sorry, is January 30th, not June. Is January 30th is the last day. So that you need to consider. So on this. So all this is for now. And if any question, you can visit my website. Is www.asranicpa.ca, or visit my Facebook page, asranicpa.ca. And anything, you can reach out to me if you need any help in filing your 2018 taxes, or you need any business consultation. If you have a business, then also we can help you in filing your corporate tax return or personal tax return, HST filing, payroll. So anything you need, we are here to help. So just give us a call. And this for now. Thanks.